Si Jesus pala ay marunong ding mag-joke. We have heard from our gospel today, "Brother, let me remove that splinter in your eye," when you do not even notice the wooden beam in your own eye. Jesus is using hyperboles and humor to drive the point that we should be humble in dealing with one another. Iwasan natin ang pagmamalaki, iwasan natin ang pagmamarunong, iwasan natin ang pagmamataas. We all have splinters in our eyes. Thus, we can only rely on the mercy of God to pardon our offenses and to change our ways. We are created to support each other and not to find faults in one another. Because in the end, our eyes can only see what our sight can reach. Maging encouragement imbis na i-discourage ang mga tao sa paligid. G ka ba?